Good morning, guys. Top of the morning to you. How's everyone doing? Happy weekend. Today I'm doing a pressure washing, pool deck and driveway. I'm going to show what it looks like. And it's next to the canal. And it is in Fort Myers, McGregor area. So, yep, I'm going to show you right here. So the brick right there. You can see there's black and a lot of grass on it. So that's why the homeowner wanted the pressure wash to kill this grass in here. So, see all this grass. And so this side, like there's no fish. It's grasses around here with a patio, back patio lanai. All through there and all here. You can see the canals right there. Close to the Caloosahatchee. Yep. Right now I'm gonna go show you where the driveway is. Bear with me. And here's the driveway. More grass, more weed in here. Through that. All grassy weeds. And here too. As well do this later on. So, yep, and I already had my hose reel, put my S8s rolled up, so I'll get done spray it, and I believe about 5 minutes long time, and then I'll do some surface cleaning. So alright guys, thank you for watching. And you guys, anybody know, yeah, if you need anybody or do you want a partial watching at this time, this is seasonal, but give us a time, let us know, leave me a message or forward my videos. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day.